Hydroxynaphthoquinone. A hydroxynaphthoquinone formula, C10H6O3, is any of several organic compounds that can be viewed as derivatives of a naphthoquinone through replacement of one hydrogen atom H by a hydroxyl group OH. In general, the term may mean any naphthoquinone derivative where any number n of hydrogens have been replaced by n hydroxyls, so that the formula is C10H6O plus n. In this case, the number n, which is between 1 and 6, is indicated by a multiplier prefix mono, tri, tetra, penta, or hexa. The unqualified term hydroxynaphthoquinone usually means a derivative of 14-naphthoquinone. Other hydroxy compounds can be derived from other isomers of the latter, such as 12-naphthoquinone and 26-naphthoquinone. The IUPAC nomenclature uses dihydronaphthalenedione instead of naphthoquinone, with the necessary prefixes to indicate the positions of the carbonyl oxygens equals O as in 58-dihydroxy-1, eta-dihydronaphthalenedione 14-diene equals 58-dihydroxy-14-naphthoquinone. The hydroxynaphthoquinones, in the particular or the general sense, include many biologically and industrially important compounds and are a building block of many medicinal drugs. Monohydroxynaphthoquinones. From 14-naphthoquinone. Due to its symmetry, there are only 3 isomers: 2-hydroxy-14-naphthoquinone loss on, coloring principle of henna; 5-hydroxy-14-naphthoquinone juglone, coloring principle of black walnut. Also active antimicrobial principle in caesalpinia sap and heartwood. 6-hydroxy-14-naphthoquinone can be prepared from 17-dihydroxynaphthalene, one of the main products of photochemical oxidation of 1-naphthol. From 12-naphthoquinone, quinone. From 12-naphthoquinone ortho-naphthoquinone there are 6 possible isomers: 3-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 4-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 5-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 6-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 7-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 8-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone. From 23-naphthoquinone. From 23-naphthoquinone, also a symmetric molecule, there are only 3 isomers: 1-hydroxy-23-naphthoquinone, 5-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone, 6-hydroxy-12-naphthoquinone. From 26-naphthoquinone. From the symmetrical 26-naphthoquinone, amphi-naphthoquinone, there are only 3: 1-hydroxy-26-naphthoquinone, 3-hydroxy-26-naphthoquinone, 4-hydroxy-26-naphthoquinone. Polyhydroxynaphthoquinones. Dihydroxynaphthoquinone, trihydroxynaphthoquinone, tetrahydroxynaphthoquinone, pentahydroxynaphthoquinone, hexahydroxynaphthoquinone,